Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your Canon PIXMA TS3322 printer on your Windows, macOS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google search, you want to search for Canon PIXMA TS3322 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best result should be a Canon domain here. This is Canon support for PIXMA TS3322. Go ahead and open that up and then scroll down on this page and expand the software and drivers section. Scrolling down again, select the TS3300 series driver setup package. Go ahead and download that. And once it is downloaded to your system, go ahead and open it up. Should be a verified publisher, Canon Inc. Select yes, and we can close out the browser at this time. And now we have this screen up for the setup. Select Start Setup, and then select Next, and then allow it to begin updating the software for the latest version. And then just follow along with the on-screen prompts depending on your connection type to your printer and your computer. And that's all you have to do. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.